Hello guys, in this video I'm going to break down very quickly sales analytical executive dashboard that we recently built for a technological company, B2B software company more specifically, and I'm going to explain like a quick demo of their metrics, of their analytical features, and just explain and go through the dashboard very quickly. Now before I go into it, this is a alpha version, which is a version after we develop and do a data strategy assessment, meaning after interviewing a bunch of stakeholders, executives, creating a data strategy roadmap, aligning on every single feature, business question, utilizing actionable insights framework to remove surface level metrics, and so on and so forth, right? Which is one of the most important pieces in terms of becoming a data-driven company, which is a data strategy part. And now let's just go into it, right? Of course, as you can see here above in the left corner, they have multiple other departments made specifically for the other executives. In this example, this is made for sales leaders, go-to-market leaders, board members, but more specifically sales leaders, VP of sales, sales managers, and so on and so forth. And they're able to see different leaders for different dashboards, and they're able to just click on it and automatically go and be directed to their exact view, which is exactly made for them. In the right corner, we have Data Hub, which is basically is directed to the documents, more specifically data governance documents like business glossary, data contracts, and so on and so forth, which is explained every single metric, how it's defined, how it's calculated, what formula it is used, from what table it is used. Basically, it helps us in governing the whole system, make sure the data quality is at 100%, and of course making sure that there is no misalignments between the departments and every single one of them when reports, when it's trying to find out the reason why certain things happen, they're able to go and be aligned on the exact metrics and the definitions of it. And now down below, you're able to see executives and account executives, meaning they have executive view, and they're able to see for specifically for the executives like VP of sales, CROs, and the other board members. On the account executive view, they're able to see for sales reps, meaning is more specifically sales reps are able to see for themselves how much commissions are they making on a monthly basis, and of course where pitfalls happen, so on and so forth. In short lines, executive view is made for executives like go-to-market leaders, sales leaders, CROs, and board members, and account executive view, hence the name, is made for sales reps. Down we have here the calendar, which are able to pick the specific time frames, whatever they want to pick, and of course they're able to segment it by offers. Of course, there's more segmentations coming in as industry, titles, roles, and lead sources. But for this example, as it's alpha version, they're able to segment it by the offers, okay, products they have. Here they're able to segment it by sales reps, which they're able to see, and for a specific sales reps they pick, aka account executive. Now here they have the North Star metrics as book calls, number of SQOs, show rates, close rates, and so on and so forth. They're able to see the current state of it for the specific time from the pick, and of course how far off the goal it is. In this example, they booked 131 book calls, which is 31 book calls more than their current goal, and that means they're plus 30%, and automatically answers them the questions: are we doing good or bad? How bad or good are we doing? Which is the key in terms of building an executive strategic analytical dashboard, right? They're able to see the number of SQOs, which is the important North Star metric for them, for their specific organization. They know that this counts in more than an ordinary book call or ordinary demo, because it converts to the highest intent, meaning the highest conversion rate. And they're able to see that they are minus 56% of their goal, which helps them to know that this is not ideal, meaning they need to fix this and improve that specific KPI. Same applies for show rates, close rates, and so on and so forth. Down below they have this month MRR and the average new MRR collected. They're able to see for every single month segmented. They can also zoom in, see if they want to see it, whatever. Basically they have this feature made specifically for them. They have calls, meaning how much calls they booked, segmented by setup calls, SDR book calls, AE calls, enterprise demo book calls. These different offers and lead sources they have segmented by, and they're able to automatically see that specific KPI. Of course, they're able to see, of course, the call show rate, meaning they're able to see how was the show offer rate, meaning was their show percentage segmented by time frame, aka monthly time frame. Same applies for close rates. They're able to see the close rates segmented by different lead sources and product types. Of course, they have the average deal sizes here, which they're able to automatically see for their goals. They are able to see, as you can see here, their currently Q4 goal was 66,000, and they overreached this by way above 9,000. They have their October MRR goal, they have the monthly active user goal, and of course they're able to see pipeline value goal, which is very important for them because they understand that every single thing here is to basically they know if they have 1.4 million in pipeline, they can close 10% of it, and it helps us with forecasting and so on and so forth. Down below they have opportunity activities, which helps them basically tell them how much activity is made for the specific opportunity to speed and increase sales velocity. Same applies for open touch points for specific stages, and of course reduce sales cycle. They also have time to lead response, which basically tells them how fast the sales reps respond to the new opt-ins. And of course, if they respond fast, they're able to book meetings much more, and of course faster. And in this example, they have 25 minutes, but the ideal is 5 minutes, and they're able to automatically improve that. Here's the segmentation for the opportunity activities. They're able to see how much activities, conversations are started on email, dials, phone, calls, and of course SMS. They're able also to segment this by sales reps, so they're able to automatically see how much these sales reps are making, their productivity wise, effort wise. Down below, they're able to see the leaderboard automatically, the leaderboard for the account executives, roles, book calls, total shows, closes, won deals, close rates, commissions, meaning they're able to see who is the top performer or not. Sales team, who is currently on the sales team, commissions, each sales rep, and of course executive is able to see how many won deals, recurring commission, one-time commission, and total commission each sales rep is making, and of course they're able to automatically pay them out without needing to calculate it themselves. And of course sales reps is able to see that themselves as well at any time. Capacity, they're able to utilize for every single account executive how much the rate of basically how much are they totally booked, to able to determine future hires that they need to make. They're able to see the total available slots, taken slots, and available slots, meaning, and of course the percentage how much they are at capacity. And of course if each sales rep is at 99% of the capacity, that means that they need to hire more sales reps down the line, of course right now. And at the call reports, they're able to automatically see account executives, their role, date, status, phone page, enterprise account, notes, and objections, meaning after each call is taken, automatically this gets inputted in here, basically shown, and of course can be also notified in Slack or email to see what's the status of that call, what happened, meaning the status, what is the enterprise account, the notes from the sales reps of what happened, and of course the objection they face to the sales manager, VP of sales, automatically can help the sales team much more faster, and they don't need to go on the calls and so on and so forth. And at the daily reports, they're able to receive this notification also in the email and of course the Slack, and see it in here, basically the summary of the whole day, how many book calls each sales rep had, live calls, cancel calls, show rate, close deals, and of course the amount that they collected on that specific day, and so on and so forth. Of course, this is just a quick rundown of this simple analytical solution of the alpha version. Of course, down the line I will explain more in more depth of how this involves, and of course explain in even other departments more in depth. Hope you like the video. If you want to build a custom analytical solutions, implement business intelligence, turn your raw data into actionable insights, so you're able to actually become data driven and utilize data as your mode. You can book a call with our exploration team, and we will happily help you.